step-by-step tutorials for drawing a pumpkin for beginners.
Draw a long, slender oval in the sand, then gather for the top down to the van. You should repeat this process a few times on either side. The C should be aimed squarely towards the upset on the right side and somewhat taller than the original above the. On the inside, draw a stem and a couple of bombs to depict the controller pumping. Then simply tolerate and add a figure outline, and you're good to go. Consider punk. It wasn't too difficult. You are capable. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.
Please subscribe, please like. Thank you for watching.